Making a nice little chicken dish, super fast, using a bunch of these hacks right here. Simple things, but again, find decent products, not a big deal. Seared my chicken first, kept the skin on because I want to use a lot of that fat for the flavor, for the other aromatics, the vegetables, onions, the garlic. But I will take those pieces of skin off just as soon as I'm done searing. Now, remove the chicken thighs after they're nice and seared. Remove the skin. Look at those chips. Just kind of want to eat them, don't you? Now I'm using all the fond off the pan to season all these onions and garlic, developing flavor, just for a quick, easy dish. Here's one of my little flavor secrets. This is mashed garlic, and I'll throw chili flakes in it, and then I'll season it with some sea salt, and I'll let it sit there, and a lot of the essential oils will come out of the garlic, and then I'll do a fine chop on this, and it'll turn into a nice little garlic chili paste, but a fresh one. And voila, nice garlic chili paste. Right in there. It smells so balmy already. I'll start throwing all the ingredients in pretty soon here. Roasted tomatoes, throw in those black olives. Then throw in my rice and my sauce and top it with the chicken. Throw it in the oven. What it looks like right before it goes in the oven. Probably going to be about a good 45 to an hour cook.